How to build application using free AI. Hello, I'm Sally. Here I would like to share how can you use AI to create an application. If you are not a software developer and would like to try using AI agents to create an application without spending any money, this is the right video you should watch. My video demonstrate how you can use Windows Computer to set up Linux to test out AI agents to develop application. Please stay tuned. Step 1 is to install Ubuntu. At the search bar, next to Windows icon, type in Microsoft Store and click Open. Type Ubuntu at the top search bar. Click on Ubuntu and start install. Once it is installed, you will see installed Word as per screen. After Ubuntu has been successfully installed, open Ubuntu and then type in the command to install OpenCode AI. To start using, select Ubuntu from Windows and the black console will be displayed. Type OpenCode. Now you are ready to use OpenCode with Model Aux Alpha for your development. Thanks for watching. Please catch up in next video.